All right, we're back in the kitchen today making a hash brown casserole with whatever we have in the house because the economy sucks and you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I'm gonna start out by spraying my casserole dish. I'm gonna use this handy dandy sprayer I got out of the TikTok shop. You know why? Because I can spray it like this, see that? Or I can pop this top up and I can drizzle it in like this if I want to. So you can just pour your olive oil in here and use the sprayer instead of getting a sprayer from the store that has all the chemicals and everything in it. Make sure you spray your pan all the way around because you don't want this sticking at all. Now we're using store-bought with these because it's what we had in the house, but if you want to shred them with the shredder, you can get potatoes and just shred them up. Let's get your potatoes in here and get it filled about halfway up. And you get your salt and pepper out. Make sure you put a lot in here because you need a lot of seasoning in these. If you don't get enough seasoning in here, it won't be flavorful enough and we can't have that. So you can use about 2 rolls of sausage for this, but we're only using about 1.5 rolls because we got a smaller dish. All right, once you got your meat in here, you just spread it around. So we're going to put our casserole over to the side, and we're going to get our bowl over here where we're going to mix 8 to 10 eggs in the bowl along with some milk. All right, so I got my 8 to 10 eggs in here like this, and then all I have left to do is just pour this about 1/4 cup of milk in, and now I'm going to whisk this up. We're going to put some more salt and pepper in here because remember, you got to season it up real well. Now we're going to add tomato. At this point, you can add whatever you want in here, like if you have onion, if you've got green pepper, mushroom, whatever you want, you can put in here. We're just going to put tomato in, though, because we're just using what we have in the house. Quick whisk. Okay, now I'm going to put this out of the way. I'm going to bring my casserole dish back over, and I'm going to pour this over the casserole dish. Now I'm going to take my casserole dish back. I'm going to put on the best part, which is the cheese, which is the final part to the casserole. Boy, doesn't that look good. Now we're going to put a loose piece of foil over the top just to make sure it doesn't brown and harden the cheese. And we're going to put this in the oven about 350 degrees. So look at how this turned out. Great casserole from just the stuff we had in the house.